PhD doctors or lifetime fellowship programs. 12 years, 20 years and 13 years experience. Emergency specialists will be there, consultants will be there all the time. Even if you come at 3 o'clock in the midnight, they will be there.
Very nice.
So the vehicle can come here and can stop here. You can come inside. The vehicle can drop, take a turn and return back. Next door we have the facility to park at least 100 cars. So there's an ample, yes. I'll show you from ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. So parking facility ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ emergency ಇದೆ. So this is our main segment. Yes. ಬನ್ನಿ. Emergency department is the core department of one BKG hospital because we have specialists. Dr. Shovan Ghosh. We have Dr. KV Lokesh, he is the HOD for emergency. Dr. Niranjan, Dr. Shovan Ghosh is here. So they all are from UK. They have practiced emergency medicine and well experienced. Any given point of time, any emergency strikes, between these three you will find one will be here. It is not that it is duty doctors or anyone will be there. So this is a 9-bedded emergency. It can take up any kind of emergencies, cardiac, stroke, any kind of emergencies, trauma, any case. So like you see, even today his turn is there, so Dr. Shovan Ghosh is available. Today at this point of time, any emergency strikes, he is ready to help. So, and here is the emergency bay. The vehicle, as soon as it comes, they can immediately come in without wasting any single minute. And the lift adjacent to this also has access to the patient's pressure. So easily they can go to ICS, strained and here we have all the OPDs. This is the entire OPD. So we have Dr. Soumya Ghosh, ENT surgeon, allergologist, vertigo specialist. Dr. Trupti, she is pediatric and adolescent endocrinologist. She is the only one from Dr. Diwali B, pediatrician and neonatologist. Dr. Raisa Nanti, she is the gynecologist and laparoscopy surgeon. Dr. Sarita Ravindra, she is physician. Here you have ultrasound and to your right you can see you have X-ray. So when the patient comes, immediately you can have an X-ray, your ultrasound, your consultation, your registration, everything at one set in a floor. And here we have Dr. Manjunath GS. He is consultant spine surgeon, dedicated only for spine. In Mysore, he is the exclusive spine surgeon. Dr. Nikhil Nanchappa, surgical gastroenterologist and colorectal surgeon. So he's practiced from UK Leeds. So this is one of the busiest center in the world. And he's from there. Amazing hand for all gallbladder, stomach related, hernias, fissure, any stomach related issues you have, Dr. Nikhil is there. And Mr. Ramprasad is the CEO and unit head. This is Dr. Balakrishna Gowda's cabin. So he is always available and known him for especially senior citizens, TKR surgeries. The dressing room is right here. So once you come, you consult, X-ray, ultrasound, everything is located at the same floor. So that it is hassle-free. There's no climbing. And the restroom is right here. So sir wanted a restroom and restroom should not have any high climbing issue. ಪೇಷಂಟಿಗೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೈ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ ರೂಮಲ್ಲೂ ಇದು ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದಿದೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಫ್ಟು ಇದೆ, 2 ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಮ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಾಗ 2 ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲೋರು, ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸು, ಲಿಫ್ಟು, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇರ್ ಕೇಸು ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್.
Yeah. A tour of Anand.
Already is the cath lab and CCU facilities there. So that's where Dr. Rajgopal sits. So at the same floor, ille bandre echo facility, ECG facility is here. This is echo, TMT, ECG, and doctors available here. Cath lab is there. Right opposite to the cath lab is CCU. So illinda illigene complete cardiac care agtade. So this is one floor. Illi matte 12 OPDs ide. So all the doctors, bereyavarunu, pulmo, matte nephrology, kidney transplant, everybody is also available here. So this is first floor. Yes. Yes.
Hi.
Male and twin sharing ಇದೆ. I take it. Please. Activated. So this covers. On top of it again we have ICU, NICU. We have neonatal ICU here. Change करके तुझे OT में ऑपरेशन दिखा
Next floor is OP.
ಈಸಿ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸವಿತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇನ್ ನ್ಯೂ ರೋಲ್.
ಅವ್ರ ಶೂ ಬಿಚ್ಚಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಅಂತ.
ಇದು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರ ಸರ್? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರ?
Phlebotomy room ಅಲ್ಲೇ. Basement ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. All yours.
ಸವಿತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Laboratory.
Okay, this is the lab. One second. Yeah.
Staircase to basement. ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡೋದಂತೆ ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಅದಾದಿಕ್ಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆಯುಷ್ಮಾನ್ ಭಾರತ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ESI ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, BPL ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ BKG's motto is.
Okay.
We are day in and striving so that we get all the empanelments done. But government has set a process in place, so we are just waiting for that and
Protocol to be
protocol
followed.
is there. We are just following that. ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೌಭಾಗ್ಯಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಡೆಲಿವರೀಸ್ ಅದು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪಿಕ್ ಕೂಡ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಮ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಗೈನಿಕ್ ಆನ್ಕೋ ಕೂಡ, ಬಟ್ ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ESGO
Is
ಸರ್ಟಿಫೈಡ್.
she the one who was in Apollo?
No, that is surgical oncologist.
Okay.
She is gynec oncologist. She is the only gynec oncologist for the entire Mysore region, I can say.
Okay.
Pediatric endocrinology, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೈನಿಕ್ ಆನ್ಕಾಲಜಿ, ಈ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಈಗ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು 2013 ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಆ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದೆ.
Sorry, suggestion. Why can't you make a specialization in wise?
ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್, ಶೋರ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್.
Yeah.
ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ few more things.
Okay, so this is for the master checkup area, no?
No,
This
ma'am.
is the initial one, no?